Hi and welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I'm eating more clean now that I'm on a carnivore diet, or journey rather. This to improve my well-being and shed some weight. The bulk of my diet is fat and protein. Just salt for this recipe, but being a Nigerian dish, you could add spices of your choice. I have cooked the goat meat and chopping them into tiny pieces. Asun is goat meat cooked in spicy hot pepper sauce. So I'm prepping the pepper now. Look how rich that looks. This is ghee. You could also use palm oil for this recipe or any other vegetable oil of your choice. Asun means smoked, which means ideally this goat meat should be smoked. In Africa, people have the luxury to cook outdoors, which allows them to smoke this goat meat. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to fry this. But you can grill it and you can also use your air fryer. Now it's time to prep your pepper sauce. And this is the consistency you're looking for. I had used the food processor to blend. Fry for about 5 to 10 minutes, medium heat. Add salt and any other spices of your choice. Now it's time to add in the goat meat. Mix in, leave to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you're still there, be sure to share where you're watching from. Thank you. So this dish took about half an hour to prep and cook. It's all done and it's ready to be served. Thank you for watching. You can garnish this dish with some bell peppers and onions.